Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to focus on the specs of the Dell AW2724DM with the Dell G2724D. So they got both same pixel type, both got same size, and both got same native resolution, but the refresh rate you're going to have for the Alienware, you're going to have 180 comparing to 165 for Dell. So this is the first thing. The second thing, when I looked here on the specs and for the reviews, what I found out is that they're like kind of similar in performance. And when I even look here further, let me just show you here, like the vertical view angle and just more things here. So they got both same HDMI. They don't have the audio output. They don't have the HDMI 2.1. Also, you're not going to find any USB-A ports with the Dell G2724D, and that's what I want to also share with you. And you have RGB illumination that is like going to be controllable with the Dell Alienware. So that's also another really important thing that I wanted to share with you. And yeah, the refresh rate is just better. So that's what I wanted to share with you, like a quick video. Maybe it was useless. If it was useless, I'm sorry. I just want to make it like really quick and effective. What are some important things that you also need to know? So have a great day and goodbye.